The Waiting Caterpillar Short Moral Story. A little caterpillar longed to fly like the birds. It watched them soar and sighed, "Why can't I have wings?" One day, it felt tired and spun itself into a cocoon. "This is so boring," it grumbled, "I'll never fly." Days passed, and the caterpillar waited impatiently. Finally, the cocoon cracked open, and out came a beautiful butterfly. As it fluttered its new wings, the caterpillar realized that patience had given it the gift it had always dreamed of. Moral: good things take time. Patience and perseverance often lead to beautiful and rewarding outcomes. Thanks for watching.